So Parliament was stalled for the third day in a row today as yet another political flashpoint added fuel to that disruption fire. Sardar versus Gaddar politics escalated, and in the eye of a storm is leader of opposition in Lok Sabha Rahul Gandhi, who called Union Minister of State for Railways Ravneet Singh Bittu a traitor, my traitor friend. Bittu hit back immediately, calling the LOP and protesting MPs Desh ke Dushman. But this war of words has now snowballed into a larger political conspiracy, with BJP accusing Rahul Gandhi of insulting the Sikh community and Sikh leaders across the BJP, not only demanding action against Rahul Gandhi but also an apology from him. The Congress has rejected the charge. The Congress in fact has doubled down. They've counterattacked the BJP. We get you more. Of course, Union Minister Hardeep Puri joins me in a moment from now. But before that, this report.
Hello. Here is a traitor walking right by.
Gaddar.
Hello, brother. Surrender.
Desh ke Dushman. A bitter banter between leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi and Union Minister Ravneet Singh Bittu, who used to be in the Congress once. It all happened when Rahul Gandhi went to greet suspended opposition MPs protesting at the Makar Dwar outside Parliament. Just then, the Union Minister approached the stairs to enter the house. Rahul took a jibe at Bittu, calling him a traitor.
Here is a traitor walking right by. Take a look at your face. That's what it looks like. Hello, brother. My traitor friend.
The comments by Rahul drew laughs from opposition MPs. It was then Bittu's turn to hit back. He called the opposition anti-nationals. Later, Bittu described the Congress as an anti-Sikh party.
बिल्कुल मैं तो इस चीज का जरूर भी मेरे मान मर्यादा के लिए मैं स्पीकर साहब को भी कहूंगा भी अब अंदर तो थे अब बाहर भी ये हमें गेटों पे घेर के अब शब्द बातें कर रहे हैं.
Sikh leaders in the BJP slammed Rahul and urged Speaker Om Birla to take action against Gandhi.
अरे मेरे भाई, अगर ट्रेटर है, तुम्हारे और भी कई दोस्त यार होंगे, मित्र होंगे जो ट्रेटर होंगे. But then why do you want him to come back if he's a traitor? No, it's a mindset. Desecration of Golden Temple, 1984, और day in and day out. पहले तो होता था कि अब देश से बाहर निकलते थे तो ऐसे शब्द इस्तेमाल करते थे देश की, ट्राइंग टू अंडरमाइन द कंट्री.
जो सिख आर्मी के अंदर लड़कर पाकिस्तान को हराने वाले सिख थे, उनको जिंदा जलाने का काम इस गांधी परिवार ने किया. देश में अगर कोई गद्दार है तो वह गांधी परिवार है. हम जरूर, मैं आज ये कहना चाहता हूं कि माननीय स्पीकर साहब को भी ऐसे लोगों पे कार्रवाई करनी चाहिए. इस मानसिकता का कोई स्थान नहीं है इस भारत देश के अंदर.
And the Congress rubbished BJP's charges.
बिट्टू जी भी बोल के गए देश के दुश्मन राहुल गांधी को.
ये तो पता नहीं कि देश का दुश्मन है कौन. ये तो देश की जनता बताएगी कि देश का दुश्मन वो है जिन्होंने परिवार जिन्होंने इस देश के लिए अपनी जानें कुर्बान की है. कि वो लोग हैं जो धोखा करते हैं, वो लोग हैं जो पीठ में छुरा मारते हैं.
The Sikh community and Congress share a strained past due to the 1984 riots that killed thousands of Sikhs in Delhi after Indira Gandhi's assassination by Sikh bodyguards. The Congress later gave India its first and only Sikh Prime Minister in Manmohan Singh, but the ghost of 1984 still haunts the Gandhis. The face-off between Rahul Gandhi and Ravneet Bittu has now sparked what many would call a needless controversy. With Piyush Mishra and Maushami Singh, Bureau Report, India Today.